Thanks for stopping by for this quick video on the importance of document digitization. For the next few minutes, I'm going to explain how the digitization of your existing drawings, construction documents, specifications, and other data can help you and your company. This video is focused primarily at those working in the facilities management and maintenance fields, but it can apply to others as well. If you are in the business of maintaining one or more buildings, you know how important construction and renovation information is when it comes time for key maintenance tasks, upgrades, renovations, or problem solving. You likely have a key set of drawings or documents in your files, dog-eared with taped edges and torn sheets. If you're like most building maintenance people, you know roughly where these drawings are, but they may or may not be in any kind of order. And you've probably said 1,000 times that you're going to get them organized. Too many times I've seen documents and drawings shoved into drawers without any organization, or even rolled up and stacked in a corner or stashed in a trash can. For something that we rely on so heavily when the chips are down, we often don't do our best job taking care of them once the problem is solved. Back into the drawer or the pile they go. There is a good chance you've heard of document digitization and perhaps have even looked into it a little bit. These days, when we get new drawings or construction documents, we often only get the electronic files, usually in PDF, but sometimes other formats too. The benefit of these electronic files are several. They're easier to store and take up much less space. They're easier to catalog so that they can be located more readily. And when we need a hard copy from them, the quality of the hard copy is always the same. They don't degrade over time like paper copies. This wasn't always the case, however, and if your building is older than, say, 1990s or so, there's a very good chance that your documents are in paper form. Having these documents scanned and digitized used to be a time-consuming and expensive proposition. However, new equipment and technologies have sped up the process and brought the cost down too. Depending on the volume of your documents that need to be scanned or digitized, it's sometimes feasible to perform the service on site, meaning the physical documents never leave the premises. In other cases, it may be more convenient to send them out and have them returned along with the electronic media of your choice when they are done. There are also a variety of choices on how to take delivery of the final electronic documents. The most basic way would be a drive filled with the individual files that you then sort and store in your business's systems as you see fit. Other options include a local or hosted database with searching and filtering functions, such as this one using Airtable. A database solution such as this allows for adding metadata to the drawings and documents to make them easier to search for and find later. Regardless of the solution that you choose, you will end up with your original paper documents back and electronic versions that you can save time and money the next time you need to find information quickly. In addition, these files won't get dog-eared or torn any further, and you won't have to worry about a catastrophe like a water leak ruining this valuable resource. Check into document digitization further. I think you'll be glad that you did. Thanks for joining me on this video.